Hello all. Now we will check one by one all the requirements are satisfying or not with this model. So you can see here we are having six different requirements. How it is working, we will see here now. Okay. So you can see now if my hand distance is less than 10 centimeter and for more than 1 second and temperature is less than 65 degrees Celsius. In that scenario, my fan status should be on and heater status should be on. So I'll make these inputs through the constant here. You can see I am taking this to output fan status and heater status. So you can see from this logic, I am getting all that thing, which I explained you just now. Okay, I made that hand distance as a 7 and temperature as a 50 to satisfy the requirement first. So now I am simulating this model. So it is simulating now. You can see how it will work. I have given here to the basic intensity stop time with 100. So it will be becoming more than 1 second, I guess. Okay. So yeah, in that scenario, my heater state fan state is also on and heater state is also on. Fine. Now in the next scenario, what I need to make my fan status should be less than 10, but my heater, where my heater, you can see temperature is greater than equal to 70. So I need to make a heater off. So to make a 70 greater than or equal to, I'll make just for 72 degrees Celsius. Apply. Okay. So now what will happen here? This is on and this is off. Okay. So what was my next condition here? You can see if again my fan status is becoming on and heater is on and my hand distance is 50 for more than 3 seconds, then heater is off and this fan is also off. Now I'll try to make this stator hand distance as 17. Okay, and we will check how this model works now. You can see my heater is also off and my fan is also off in that scenario. Okay. Now this testing, like what we are checking our model is behaving correctly or not. As per the requirement, if our logic is working, this testing is also known as mill testing. Okay, model in loop testing. What we are doing here, we are checking our requirements are satisfying or not. Also, this thing is known as requirement based testing. Okay. So what was the next requirement is here? So requirement we have just done now. Okay. So what when fan is on and heater is on and temperature is becoming greater than 70 degrees Celsius. So our action will become heater is off. So to achieve this, I need to make a fan on and temperature need to make a 70 degrees Celsius. So make this fan on and make this fan and temperature I'll make this 72. So you can see my fan is on, but my heater is becoming off. And the last requirement is like you can see here, if my fan is on, okay, and heater is also heater is off, but my temperature is less than 65. In that scenario, my heater should become on. Okay. So the same thing now I decrease this temperature to 62 somewhat. Okay. And now we will check this in that scenario, both will become on. Okay. So in this way, we can do the requirement based testing for the different logics. In this say, in this project, we have learned how we can implement the requirements in Matlab assembly. I have implemented this requirement in Stateflow. I thought this is the most suitable platform to implement this requirement. We have to decide where we have to implement our requirements of a project. It's in Simulink or it's in Matlab. If we are having much more mathematical equations as in requirement, then we can go with a Simulink. But if we are having condition and action based kind of requirement, then we will go with a Stateflow. Okay, and don't confuse with this image. This is a chart only. Okay, I have added here image icon. This is a Simulink chart only. Okay, if you want me to like remove this. I'll remove the mask also. But this is a mask which I created from here. You can see. Okay. From here, we can edit icon also, but from here what I browse the image here. Okay, this image I have taken. If I want this image, then I will take that image, click OK, and this will come. In that way we can add a mask to state as well, or chat as well. I can say the chat of the Stateflow. Okay, so that's it all about the hand trial controller logic. Okay, thank you.